So if you're in the market for a red light therapy belt, you might want to give this a look because it does have a lot of features. I'll tell you right away, when I took it out of the box, I liked that the material is just really nice and thick, good stitching along the side, and it's a good length too. Now this does handle anywhere from 24 inches to 60 inches of a waist. And I do love that it has a little extender here. So that way you go ahead and get your 60 inches. It also has a charging cord here to go ahead and just plug that in. Now right here at the bottom, that's where you're going to go ahead and power that up. Now on the inside, that's where we have our 130 LEDs. This area right here is going to be for your abs. This right here is going to be for your back. And I'll demonstrate this in a minute where you can actually use this one at a time or both areas. Also on the back side, you can see it's a little bit better. This does have vibration, so we've got little motors right through here to give you vibration mode, and I'll show you that too also in just a second. Now with the control, what I love about it is right here, this is our power button. So we're going to go ahead and just turn it on. Right here, it's going to give you a power indicator. It's going to let you know that right now it's fully charged up. It does have a timer. So right now it's set at 10 minutes. You can change it to 20 or even 30 minutes. So it's just that easy. Just cycle through those without any problem. And this is also our vibration mode. It's kind of got a low hum to it. What it's going to do is going to come on, then go off, and just kind of cycle that through. There are 3 different levels. There's level 2. And then we got level 3 right here. And what that does, it's going to vibrate several pulses and a long pulse and just kind of go through that cycle also. Now this next button, which is labeled ABD and back, that's your abs and your back. So as you press your ab button, what it's going to do, those LEDs for the abs are going to go ahead and light up. You press it again and your back's going to light up. You press it a 3rd time and then all of them are going to light up. And that way you can work on your back and your abs. Now what's good about this is also dual wavelength. With these LEDs, you got 2 different wavelengths, 660 nanometers and also 850 nanometers. Now the difference between the two is one is going to penetrate more deeply into the skin, and that's where the 850 nanometers is going to come into play. Also, the battery is good for right around 3 hours plus. And then we have a 4th button here. So what that does, it allows you to change the light intensities. There's 3 different light intensities, just level 1, 2, and 3. And then it also has 2 pulse frequencies, one at 10 hertz and the last one at 40 hertz. So it's real easy to put on. It's just done by Velcro. Of course, you can see right here, this is going to go on my abs. Just put it over the top like that. Right here are our controls. I can go ahead and set up the timer. You can do it for 20 minutes. Level 2 on the vibration. I'm going to go ahead and put it on my back and my abs and then change my intensity. And that's it. It's great that I don't have to sit in one place and do all this because since it is cordless, I can go around doing my things that I do around the house. I'm getting the LED lights onto my skin and it's doing its job. Super portable, really easy to use, and I hope you found this review helpful.